Damn, it's snowing. Look at this, y'all. Man, gang, we back with another video, man. We getting a lot of things done today for the car. So as y'all can see, I got this box. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all. So if anybody ever heard of Ripatoon, yeah, baby, we got a Ripatoon lower pulley right here that we getting put on today. And then obviously, we getting the cats put on, the Catless mids put on today as well. So I got a lot of work to do. I got a shovel. Look how thick that is, y'all. So I gotta shovel a little bit, hopefully, to get out of here. And this pretty much the last day y'all gonna hear the car sound like this. So I'm gonna get it started up for y'all real quick, and we gotta get up out of here. Poor car, man, looking all crazy. Today gonna be the last day y'all gonna hear it like that. So hopefully when we get everything put on today, it's gonna sound mean today, y'all. So let me get this driveway shoveled out a little bit, and then I'm out of here, y'all. Oh my God, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I am not ready for this kind of weather, bro. Oh my God. See if we can get out of my driveway. The snow is kind of thick, so. Got out just fine though. I didn't know it was not gonna be like this morning still. It's mad snow. Definitely gotta get me a little snow blower now, man. So we're getting the cat deletes put on, and then hopefully the incognito lower pulley, which should give us anywhere between, let's call it 30 and 50 horsepower to the wheel. So that should be good. That's what I'm most excited for that. We probably won't be able to tell in this weather like this, but I'm gonna still put it on a dyno for y'all just to see the better numbers, because we got the leg maker intake, and then we're gonna have that lower pulley that I showed y'all earlier. And that lower pulley goes right over the existing pulley that's already on there, so you don't have to remove the old one. It just sits right over it. It's just like a sleeve, kind of. Just goes right over it. And then there's a couple bolts and stuff that you have to put in, and you have to drill through the crank too. So, which I don't know how to do. I'm not even gonna try to do stuff like that, so I'm gonna let them worry about it. And hopefully in an hour or two we should be good to go. And we're gonna let y'all know how everything go once he get it all on the lift. Hopefully, I want to get the process for y'all, him taking the exhaust off and putting a new one on. The pulley, who knows? We don't even know if we're going to be able to get that done today, but he said he's going to take a look at it for us. So when we get to the dealership, man, I'll turn the camera back on. I'm going to see y'all in a minute, man. All right, so we made it to the shop, y'all. Y'all see what I'm doing. I'm getting busy. I'm doing these videos right now. They should be putting the car up on the lift soon. And then while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to just get some videos done. So we do got something to get done. They're gonna replace that rim.
I heard, yeah.
So that's a good thing. They're gonna replace the rim. So these back, right?
Yep.
Oh, that's not too bad. So it's only these two bolts.
Yep, here to here.
And then that. Oh, that's pretty simple. That's not too bad. Oh man, nasty under here.
Yeah. You get used to it.
Yeah, when you do it all the time, right?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. All right, let me know how it goes. So I know that pulley pretty much is like right here somewhere, right? Once you take this cover off, it's right in the front. I didn't open that box to see if the O2 sensors were in there or not. It should be some. Hopefully it is. Ooh, look at those. Those are a beauty, bro. Those are a beauty. Hopefully there's some O2 sensors in here somewhere. I know they said it came with it. Oh shit. Don't look like it. Does not look like it.
No, it's not looking like it.
Wow. Yeah, it said they were included. Oh fuck. Damn it. Okay, so that's gonna be a problem. Ooh, that joint sounded good, y'all. Sounded good. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, but it do sound good though. So I gotta look up an install video for the pulley form really quick, and then I'll let y'all know. All right, man, so we got the car back with the cat delete put on. It is a little bit louder. Not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, which is good because my thing is I still got neighbors and stuff, so I don't want it to be ridiculously loud. So it is louder for sure though. Shout out to my guy Jeff again, man. If anybody is in the Rochester area and y'all need work done on your SRT, please come see my boy Jeff at Dome, because he is the man. I was in there at 9. Oh, it's definitely louder. 100% louder. Oh yeah, it's definitely louder. I could tell just from the inside of the car it's louder. There's a lot more vibration too on the floor. Oh, there's a weird noise. I don't know what that noise is. I'm gonna pull over and give y'all a couple revs so y'all can hear exactly how it sounds, but it does sound good. Oh my God, the pops. The pops are definitely louder. It's definitely a little louder. The tips stick out a little farther because the cats push them back a little bit, so which is a little nicer. But I did order new tips too, so I'm not too worried about those. Those look a little ugly. Yeah, I'm loving how that joint sound, y'all. I love it. It definitely sound louder. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, but it definitely sound louder. So let's just we'll take a ride back to the crib. If y'all watch any of the previous videos, then y'all know how much different it sounds inside the car. It's just a lot more tone to it. It's not as quiet as it is. My boy car is still hella louder than this one because he has the cat delete and resonator delete, which I might do down the road. I gotta see how much I enjoy this one first though. But overall, I'm happy, man. It sounds real good. I didn't have my O2 sensors in the box, which should have been included, but no check engine light just yet. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get those O2 sensors before the check engine light come on. Cause I really don't want to be dealing with that. Look at this guy right here. Probably calling me about the cats. Yo.
Yo, hear me out.
What's up?
Hear me out, right?
Yo, I got the cat delete done today.
Come on, bro, you was supposed to hit me.
Bro, you was supposed to hit me. It's your shop.
Nah, but yo, I be busy, bro.
I know you be busy. My SRT tech did it.
Ah, man, how much you charge?
50 bucks.
You still doing the lights?
Oh, I don't know about them lights, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know about them lights.
You scared?
Hell yeah, I'm scared. I don't want to break nothing, bro. Yeah,
that camera, crazy.
The camera hard. That camera tough, because I was vlogging and you called me. Scrub, I'm about to zoom in on your face now.
We should go do a Stingray.
I do want to do a Stingray, but I don't know if they're gonna, we might be able to. I just gotta go up there and see.
Bro, you know what we gonna hit them with if we can't do it. Off their permission. I'm looking for a car, and I put $5,000 done.
we gonna lie. Oh my
I'm
god.
there with the Honda. I was like, I'm looking to trade in my girl car and give 10,000.
Oh yeah. They let you smoke the Honda out though. That joint was crazy.
So we ain't doing nothing to the cat.
I'm not sure. We might do them lights though. We might have to, cause I ain't paying $700 for them fucking lights is ridiculous.
You sure $700, bro?
Bro, four shops charge me $700, bro.
That's insane though, bro. You sure?
Yeah, nigga. I know what I'm sure about what they told me. Yeah. Man, y'all know that was my boy Jose SI. If y'all been following the channel for a minute, I started pretty much my first like few car reviews I did with him, man. We did the Mods, we did like a Evo, we did the SRTG, we did a couple car reviews. But he be working so much now. I be working so much now. I won't really get to link up no more. But I was supposed to stop and get gas. That's what I should have did. Damn. Oh my god. Yeah, it's definitely louder too. Definitely louder. I gotta let somebody drive my car and then I record so I can hear how it sounds outside the car, like on the go, because I know that shit sound crazy. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Let me know if y'all haven't checked out my video from last night, the POV video. I was snapping in the snow, y'all. You can't tell me my 707 horsepower skills ain't up to par, cause I was going crazy last night on that POV. Make sure y'all check that POV out, man. I had a good time last night, and it snowed. It was a lot of snow last night too. All the streets was pretty much a couple inches of snow. But we back, man. We got the cats put in. I'm rocking with it. I like the way it sound good. Only thing I had to get used to is there's a lot of vibrations in the car. Unless you're one of them people who listen to loud music, or you got your music on most of the time. My driveway is packed with snow. Watch how I get up in there with the Hellcat though. Packed with snow. Cause we going up in here. Right in there like nothing, y'all. I'm probably gonna shovel the rest of my driveway out too while I'm here. But that's it, man. We got the delete put up. We got the Catless Midpipes put on. It makes the car sound amazing. I love the way it sounds. The only downside is all the vibrations. There's a lot more vibrations going on in the car. So if you know you're not gonna like stuff like that, then that's probably not for you. Just get a resonator delete or muffler delete, one or the other. But like I said, I listen to music all the time, all day, so I'm not really about the I'm not worried about the vibrations, because I probably won't notice it with my music on. I'll be bumping crazy loud music all the time, so I'm happy with it. It sound good. Can't beat it. My man charged me 50 bucks to do it. That's a steal. But y'all know the vibes, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. We out, man. Peace.